Hi everyone! The C24 Bank of the Check24 Group is one of the youngest banks in the German market and is now trying to attract new customers with C24 Tagesgeld by offering high interest rates. But what is the investment option? How secure it is? Is the neobank's offers really as tempting as it sounds? Or is it all just fun to get new customers on the board? In this video, let's have a close look and also show you how one can open Tagesgeld konto, advantage, disadvantages and many other questions we are going to cover it. If you are ready, come let's get started. What is Tagesgeld? Maybe this is interesting for newbies who are hearing this word for the first time. In short, it can be compared to fixed deposit, which we normally do it in India. An account in which you deposit money and receive interest on it. This money can be withdrawn or deposited at any time. There is no payment transaction, usually always free of charge. Interest rates may vary, no notice period. You can cancel them at any point of time. Now, let's come to the main point. Most of them are aware of Check24 portal, and the C24 Bank acts as a subsidiary company which was founded in 2020. And this is categorized as neobank. Unlike many other neobanks, this has a full banking license. It means the company handles all banking services itself and is not dependent on any other banks. Coming to next point, how high are the interest rates offered here? Starting from September 1st, 2023, you will benefit from an interest rate of 4% till end of this year. The interest rate provided by this bank even exceeds the key interest rate set by the European Central Bank, and at the same time, it is higher than the interest rate of the all other Tagesgeld providers in the German market. This high interest rate is guaranteed for both new and existing customers for the period of September 1st, 2023 to December 31st, 2023. This rate is only up to maximum deposit of 100,000 euros. Why do I recommend C24 Bank? All deposits of C24 or including the savings on the C24 Tagesgeld are protected by the statutory deposit insurance up to an amount of 100,000 euro per customer. However, it should be noted that this sum refers all the customers' deposit. Therefore, also to all funds that are parked in the current account. Since it has full banking license and deposit insurance, I don't see anything to be wrong in it. Sounds interesting, right? Let me also tell you the disadvantages, then you will decide it. The first disadvantage is the current interest rate is limited offer and this is valid till end of this year. C24 Bank does not currently offers a Gemeinschaft Tagesgeld konto, which means joint partner account, and also it don't provide any Tagesgeld konto for kids. Another disadvantage, depending on your needs, in order to open a Tagesgeld konto, you need to open a Giro konto with them. There are 3 different Giro konto options. One option is basically free of cost, so we can't classify it as a disadvantage. You might be thinking, how do I open C24 Tagesgeld konto? The C24 Tagesgeld konto can only be opened together with C24 Giro konto, but does not require a separate application once it has been opened. Requirements for opening a C24 Tagesgeld konto: a minimum age of 18 years, residence and tax liability in Germany. You have to produce the valid photo ID. The current account can be opened directly on the bank's website. 3 different identification methods are available for the subsequent legitimation. If you are thinking about the alternatives for the C24 Tagesgeld konto, you can also look into our new website. In our new website, you can use our comparison calculator to check the difference with the other companies and running offers and choose the best one which matches you. If you find this is so interesting, you want to earn little more high interest rate, you can also open C24 Tagesgeld konto with the link given in the description. By this way, you can support our work. So, I will see you in yet another interesting video. Until bye bye from Vanakkam, Germany, Priya.